This is Hawaii's first Don Donki location. And what's the difference between Don Quixote and Don Donki? Well, I don't know. So let's find out. First off, it's huge. Where do we start? Ice cream. This right here is one of my favorite ice creams from the Japanese konbini. They have all different types, including huge tubs of Malona. You can find a lot of Japanese drinks and snacks from convenience stores, but in bulk. There's also a huge toy section with Don Quixote merch, and a K-beauty section that got absolutely rated. There's meat, bakery, produce, a hot food station, lechon kawali if you want it, a sushi section with cheap poke bowls, and also a lot of local finds. A good mix of Hawaii and Japanese items. But wait, when you check out and pay, there's a whole food court with a sushi restaurant and a wagyu spot with more food stalls to come. So it looks like this Donki is a place to shop, hang, and eat. Now we know.